How do I contact Newton Crypto Ltd? Intro. Hey there, you've just discovered a new crypto platform, Newton Crypto Ltd. It's got a great user interface, competitive fees, and a wide range of cryptocurrencies. But then you run into a problem. You need to get in touch with their customer support. What do? Hook. Today, we're going to tackle that question head-on. We'll explore the various ways to contact Newton Crypto Ltd, from their live chat to their email support. So, if you're ready, let's dive in. Building context. Before we get into the specifics, let's understand why contacting customer support is important. Whether you're facing a technical issue, have a query about your account, or want to report a problem, having a reliable way to reach out is crucial. Newton Crypto Ltd, like any other financial platform, needs to provide excellent customer service to maintain trust. Method 1. Live chat. One of the most convenient ways to contact Newton Crypto Ltd is through their live chat feature. This is typically available on their website. Simply navigate to the support section or look for a live chat icon. Once you click on it, a chat window will appear, and you can start your conversation with a customer support representative. Advantages of live chat include instantaneous response. You can get immediate assistance for your query. Convenience. It's easy to access and requires no additional steps. Real-time interaction. You can ask follow-up questions and clarify any doubts. However, it's important to note that live chat availability may vary depending on the time of day and day of the week. If you're unable to connect through live chat, don't worry, there are other options. Method 2. Email support. If live chat isn't available or you prefer a more formal approach, email support is another viable option. Newton Crypto Ltd typically provides an email address for customer inquiries. You can compose an email detailing your issue or question and send it to the designated address. While email support might not offer the same level of immediacy as live chat, it can be useful for complex issues or situations where you need a written record of your correspondence. When sending an email, be sure to include the following information: your full name, your account details, if applicable, a clear and concise description of your issue or question. Method 3. Social media. Newton Crypto Ltd may also have a presence on social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram. These platforms can be a great way to reach out to their customer support team or connect with other users who may have encountered similar issues. To contact Newton Crypto Ltd through social media, look for their official accounts and send them a direct message. Be sure to include relevant details about your query so they can assist you effectively. Additional tips. Here are some additional tips to keep in mind when contacting Newton Crypto Ltd's customer support. Be patient. Customer support representatives may experience high call volumes, so it's important to be patient and courteous. Provide as much detail as possible. The more information you can provide about your issue, the better equipped they will be to assist you. Check their FAQ section. Before contacting support, take a look at their frequently asked questions section. You may find the answer to your query there. Conclusion. With these methods at your disposal, you should be able to effectively contact Newton Crypto Ltd's customer support and get the assistance you need. Remember, having a reliable way to reach out is essential for a positive experience with any financial platform. End. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.